Hello children, welcome to social science class. Today we are going to discuss about a very important and interesting lesson, that is our India political and culture. Political means relating to the government or public affairs of a society or country. Cultural means relating to customs and social behavior of a society or country. The word India derives from the word river Indus. India is our country. It has its own geographical, political and cultural background. And our India has a rich heritage. There are many emperors, many empires, kingdoms like Gangas, Cholas, Guptas, Rashtrakutas, Vijayanagara kings, and many kings ruled our country and given a great contributions for the heritage of our country. And there are many religions people living together in our country, and there are thousands of languages speaking all over India. And we know that in ancient time our India is very rich country in the ancient time. That's why many foreigners attracted towards the wealth of our country and attacked our country and looted all the wealth of our country. And many foreign rulers came to India and ruled our country for many centuries. Many Europeans came to India, among them the first who came to India. After Portuguese, Dutch, French, Britishers came to India. But Britishers ruled a long period, more than 200 years. They ruled our country, and Indians fought against with the Britishers for many years. At last, we got independence on August 15, 1947. Until then, means until 1947, our India did not have a definite boundary. After 1947, our India have a definite boundary. Today, our India is the largest democratic country in the world with the union of 28 states and 8 union territories. Proud of our country. I am proud of my country and I am proud to be an Indian. Then children, come, let us learn more about our India in the lesson our India political and cultural. In this lesson you are going to learn about geographical location and extent of India and neighboring countries and water bodies which are surrounding our country and the states and union territories of India, and the significance, the importance of the national emblems of India. Today class, first we will discuss about the geographical location of India. If anybody asks you the address of your home, what you will say? You will give the name of your village, taluk, district, state, country and with the pin code of the post office. In the same manner, we can find out our country, we can find out in which part of the world our India is located. Before we going to know the location of India, we must have the knowledge of latitudes and longitudes. Without knowing these latitudes and longitudes, we are not able to understand the location of India. See here, observe here. This is the picture of globe. This is east direction. This is west direction. This is, we are saying, north direction, south direction. First, we should know what are latitudes. Latitudes, the meaning of the latitudes. The imaginary lines drawn on the globe from west to east are called latitudes. The imaginary lines drawn on the globe from west to east are latitude. These lines we are called latitudes. And see, this is equator, we are called, it is a special latitude. This equator divides the earth into two equal halves. Equator divides the earth into two equal halves. To the north of equator, we are called the half of the earth. To the north is called northern hemisphere, and half of the earth to the south is called southern hemisphere. The equator, see the latitudes and longitudes in degrees. This equator measured in 0 degree. To the North of equator there are 90-degree latitudes, and to the south of equator there are 90-degree latitudes. Total 180-degree latitudes are there on the globe. Next, longitudes. What are longitudes? The imaginary lines drawn on the globe from North Pole to South Pole. The imaginary lines drawn on the globe from North Pole to South Pole are called longitudes. The longitudes also measured in degrees. This is special longitude. This is called prime meridian. This prime meridian passes through the Greenwich village of the England. This is measured in degree. To the east of Greenwich meridian there are 180-degree longitudes. To the west of Greenwich meridian, prime meridian, there are 180-degree longitudes. Total 360-degree longitudes are there on the globe. And now we will see some special latitudes. Special latitude. See, this is equator, 0 degree. This is special latitude. And 23, 0 degree. This is equator. And 23.5 degree north. Special latitude called the Tropic of Cancer. And 23.5 degree south. The Tropic of Capricorn. And 66.5 degree north. That is called Arctic Circle. And 66.5 degree south. That is called Antarctic Circle, and this is North Pole, South Pole. These are the special latitudes. These latitudes and longitudes are very helpful us to understand the location, direction of any place on the earth. Next class we will discuss about the location of India. Thank you.